Hey, it's Michael Saul, also known as Tiny, with the market video for the week of July 22nd, 2013. So let's take a look at the chart of the S&P 500 and talk about what has been going on in the markets. So last week we grinded up for a little bit, and then we took a pause. That was Monday. We took a pause, and then we hit the new highs Thursday. Couldn't close above them, and then got there on Friday. And the Dow hit the highs and closed above them on Thursday, but then didn't close above them on Friday. Whatever it is, we hit the highs that we were expecting to hit coming into this week. You know, we said we would probably hit them very shortly, and that is exactly what we did. So where does that leave us now? Well, first we have to look at the NASDAQ. And the NASDAQ got cracked here because of Microsoft and Google earnings on Thursday after the close. But they recovered pretty nice. After they traded lower, they wound up holding the 10-day moving average. So it definitely leaves a hole in the chart here. But if the market is going to continue higher, that should be filled pretty quickly. Now, there are some people calling for a double top here, and that's great. I don't know if a double top is going to be put in right here, right now. In my opinion, it does not look to be the case. Obviously, things could change rather quickly in the market. I do feel that we are overbought and that we are due a rest, but the next rest I will be watching for a potential buying opportunity. Now, if we see something that turns into a more complex correction, something like this, then I'll be looking to get more aggressive on the short side. But for right now, I haven't seen a sell climax up here yet. I haven't seen anything but grinding action and a push to new highs. So I'm going to be watching for continued pullbacks in order to, to look for continued pullbacks and to see if we can take out these highs up here and continue to go higher. So how does this help us this week? Well, we are at what I call a key decision area, which is a fancier name. Hold on one second. Sorry. Basically, a key decision area is also just a fancier name for calling an inflection point. All right, I like to call it a key decision area because I think it means more than just an inflection point. But what it means is it's the spot where something is going to happen. In other words, there are very low odds that we're just going to sit here at this high. Now, it doesn't mean we have to move right away. Okay, we can go sideways for a little bit, but we're not just going to say, "Oh, okay, we're at highs. Let's just stay here." Right? We'll either get some extension up or we'll get some rotation down as we fill out this range. So the fact that this is, we're at this level here means that we really have to be paying attention here. I know the market is boring, especially intraday, very choppy, but this is the time to pay attention. And this is the time to, really see if a big move can happen here. Like I said, I don't think anything on the downside is going to be anything more than a buying opportunity, but maybe it'll turn into something else. And then on the upside, I'm going to be watching to see if we could, if we do go up instead. I want to see if we can get some range expansion here, like we saw up here, which is a short-term climax, and maybe finish up at least this move. But calling for a big double top and then the end of the world here, I'm not ready to do that yet. All right, so check out the newsletter. It's still free. Got a nice update to the canaries in the coal mine, and it's which is a column that my partner Paul does. He contributes that column every couple of weeks when things have changed. Check it out. There's still no fee to view it. You can sign up for the email list and you'll get my daily email to see if anything has changed with this. And also there's information about the chat room I'm running and, of course, the Sunday night strategy session, which is tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern. Tonight being Sunday, it's helped to do the date. Sunday the 21st at 8 p.m. Eastern. All right, so any questions, feel free to contact me. I will speak to everybody soon, either in the daily email, the daily newsletter, or in next week's video. Take care.